How to apply sphere volume to real-world geometry. Imagine holding a perfect ball in your hand or looking at a globe. Have you ever wondered how much space is inside that round object? Understanding how to find the volume of a sphere helps us answer that question. The formula for sphere volume is simple. Take for thirds, multiply by pi, and then multiply by the radius cubed. This gives us the amount of three-dimensional space inside the sphere. For example, if a basketball has a radius of 5 units, you cube 5 to get 125, multiply that by pi, which is about 3.1 for 159, and then multiply by 4 thirds. The result is roughly 529.05 cubic units. Knowing this helps in many areas. Architects designing domes or water tanks need to know how much space they are working with. In astronomy, scientists estimate the size of planets and stars using sphere volume calculations. Sports equipment makers use it to determine the capacity of balls used in soccer, basketball, or tennis. Manufacturers of spherical containers or capsules also relying on volume calculations to know how much substance they can hold. To apply the formula, you need the radius of the sphere, which is the distance from the center to the edge. Measure or find this radius, then cube it. Multiply that by pi, and then multiply the result by 4 thirds. The answer is the volume in cubic units. This helps in designing objects, calculating capacities, and understanding the size of spherical objects in real life. It also connects to surface area calculations, which tell us how much material is needed to cover the sphere. Surface area is for pi times the radius squared, useful for tasks like painting or coding. So, when you want to figure out how much space a spherical object takes up or can hold, just remember the formula. Measure the radius, cube it, multiply by pi, then by 4 thirds, and you have your volume. This simple process makes working with three-dimensional shapes much easier in everyday life and various industries.